Hi, I'm Anya Stoddart and you are watching the Wisdom Mind blog, the place to be to build your confidence in your meditation and to get all the benefits it promises. The peace, the calm, the relaxation and the clarity of mind. If you're watching on Facebook, it would be fabulous if you were to click like right now just to show me you're watching. Today I'd like to explore why meditate. Why do you want to meditate? Why do other people meditate? I started meditating because I wanted to improve my relationships with my hubby and with my parents. The other reason was because I was starting up a new acupuncture clinic and I wanted to feel less stressed about that whole situation of being self-employed, running my own business for the first time. So improving relationships and decreasing stress are two really common reasons for wanting to meditate. Two other reasons why people meditate are because you finally need to take some action on having some regular self-care in your life, or because it's part of a life personal development plan. So if it's a self-care reason, then perhaps it's because you've got some really life-changing, life-draining health issues going on. You've got cancer treatment going on, you've got chronic fatigue, you might have persistent pain, you might have some other health issues going on. But whatever it is, what you really crave is a little bit of silence and stillness amongst all of the chaos. If it's more a sort of life development plan, then it may be that you want to become less reactive to people and situations around you. It could be that you want to be more focused on what you're doing and what you're trying to achieve. All of those are really brilliant and valid reasons for wanting to do a meditation practice. Ultimately, if you've decided you want to use meditation, it's because you want to make a shift in your perspective on your life. One of the things meditation is good for is teaching you the skill of mindfulness, and you can use that mindfulness to be aware of your thoughts and feelings and change how you respond to them, change how you view them. Meditation isn't going to suddenly solve all of your problems in your life, but it will give you a different perspective. It will enable you to come up with more ideas on how to get under, over, or around those things that are really affecting your life. Is meditation a guarantee of everlasting happiness? No, it's not. But it will get you into a zone of feeling more peaceful and more calm for longer and longer periods of time. And that in itself is a really fabulous result. So back to my initial question, why do you want to meditate? If you need a bit of help, structured help thinking about this and trying to get some clarity on it, then download my meditation starter kit. I've included a little quiz in there to trigger off some thought processes and to help you perhaps draw some conclusions. So if you go to my website, which is www.wisdom-mind.co.uk, click the free downloads tab and select the starter kit, then that is a downloadable PDF and the quiz questions to answer will be in there. If you've got any questions that you want to ask in the thread below this Facebook post, then please feel free to ask those questions. But if what you want to ask is a little bit private or a little bit personal, then you can always email me. If you download the starter kit, then you'll get access to my email and I will answer you as soon as I can.